Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Valorant D3D11 compatible GPU error with some simple and effective steps. This error usually appears when your system is not properly using DirectX 11 or your drivers are outdated. First, check if your graphics card supports DirectX 11 because older GPUs may not run the game. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website, as outdated drivers are a common cause. After that, press Windows key, type DXDIAG, and confirm that DirectX 11 is installed on your system. Now, make sure Valorant is using your dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics by setting it in your graphics control panel. Also, update your Windows to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. If the problem still continues, reinstall your graphics drivers cleanly. Finally, restart your PC and launch Valorant again, and the error should be fixed completely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.